Additional reference of business. Committee report. Committee report number 261, submitted by the Committee on Justice on House Resolution number 989. Resolution setting forth the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. Recommending its adoption together with the findings, conclusions, and recommendations of the committee in the matter of the impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte.
To the Committee on Rules.
Formal nang nai-refer sa House Committee on Rules ang Committee Report number 261 na isinumite ng House Justice Committee kalakip ang House Resolution number 989 na nagtatakda ng articles of impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte gabi ng Martes, May 5. Isang araw ito matapos aprubahan sa House Justice Panel. Kasunod dito, bibigyan na ng kopya ng committee report, resolution at articles of impeachment ang lahat ng House members, complainants at ang respondent na si VP Duterte. Ayon kay House Justice Panel Chairperson at Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervy Luistro, ito ay upang magkaroon ng sapat na panahon ng mga kongresista na mapag-aralan ang kanilang findings at rekomendasyon at sa susunod na linggo matatalakay na ito at mapagbobotohan sa plenaryo ng Kamara.
That's why I said, given this 5-day period, I think that by 11, the plenary should be ready to vote. I will be doing the sponsorship speech. There will be interpellations. And then after the interpellations, somebody should move to vote on the approval of the committee report along with the resolution and setting forth the articles of impeachment.
Samantala, may tinataya ng bilang ng mga inaasahang susuporta sa impeachment sa Kamara. Higit pa ito sa kinakailangang bilang na 106 na House members o 1/3 ng kabuang bilang na 318 para maiakyat ang articles of impeachment sa Senado. Ayon kay House Justice Committee member at Bicol Zero Party List Representative Terry Ridon, as of May 5, 2026, nasa 200 na ang House members na susuporta sa impeachment ni VP Duterte sa Kamara.
We are looking at almost 200 already. House members who are signifying their intent to support the impeachment.
Ano pong basis niyo po dun sa 200?
I think nag-iikot din ho, siyempre may mga caucuses na pag-ikot no, sa party list, sa iba pang mga coalition. So I think from the reports of our colleagues no, in the House Committee on Justice, I think these are the numbers that we are looking at today. But at the very best, we would want to see more than 250.
Sagot naman nito kay VP Duterte na nagtataka sa pagiging kumpiyansa nito sa impeachment vote.
Well, tiyak ko kami kasi tiyak ko kami sa ebidensya. Tiyak ko kami sa 6.7 billion total transactions na pumasok po at lumabas sa mga accounts po ng mag-asawang Duterte Carpio. Tiyak ko kami sa 448 million na pinapasoli ho sa kanya. Tiyak ko kami doon sa pagbabanta laban ho sa Pangulo. So that is the source of confidence of the House Committee on Justice.
Rosalie Coz, humahataw sa balita ngayon.